Rahul, this is very sad that when I hear my co-panelists talking about that if I wear a hijab only then I'll be dignified. This is the kind of agenda these people are trying to create in the entire world. It's not only limited to India. It is, it is kind of distributed in the entire world in different parts of countries. Why? And now we see how extreme has it gone. Only a piece of cloth has made this happen, that a murder of a girl has happened. 22-year-old, a living being, has turned into a hashtag. And now what is happening right now in Iran should happen all across the world, wide. The women has to come, because if they do not come, this is going to be affected. Every one of us will be affected. And the worst part is that none of us spoke about this before this happened. Now what's happening right now is the women out there in Iran who are creating this outrage, literally disrupting the root of Islam, which is so-called hijab. Apparently it's not. When you refer to maybe Quran-e-Pak, or maybe when you refer to Hadith, it's not a part. It is not even a part. Forget about essential parts of Islam. It is not even a part of Islam. As far as hijab is concerned, it is only when you talk, you should have that poise, you should have that dignity. When I say it, it should be in your words, it should be in your eyes. Not a piece of a fabric or a cloth is going to decide what my dignity is, what my life is, and how am I going to pursue it. It is clearly the agenda of dominating the world and creating an agenda that yes, Islam is all about hijab. No, it is not. And me as a Muslim is standing with the Iranian women who are trying to disrupt this route, and it is very important, Rahul. Otherwise, the day is not far when Muslim women all across the world will no more be living beings, but only turning into hashtags like Mahsa has turned already.